Iran was the world's fourth largest exporter of oil until international sanctions led by the US were imposed 2 years ago. The economic isolation led to a massive decline in trade, widespread unemployment, and soaring inflation. Iran now has a chance to rebuild its economy.
Iran has the opportunity to grow again and to re-establish itself in the Middle East region, and to also increase employment, increase growth, and make use of those export revenues.
South Africa has welcomed the partial lifting of sanctions, reiterating the importance of finding a peaceful resolution to Iran's nuclear program. South Africa imported 35% of its crude oil from Iran. This figure dropped significantly after the sanctions.
If the 6 months is successful and the agreement is successful, Africa is now allowed to trade with Iran, and that means that Africa now has another supplying market of oil and natural gas products. And that's vital to growing across the continent, especially in the East African region.
The pressure has also been lifted on big business operating in Iran. A leading African mobile operator, MTN, remained in Iran despite operating under restrictions.
MTN now has the chance to access a lot of the funds that it's accumulated in its Iranian operations, and that's similarly across companies across Africa and globally. So that means that money is coming back to South Africa.
Iran has 6 months to prove itself in order to gain readmission to the global stage. This means that it will have to put its nuclear ambitions on hold, but only because it's realized the importance of global trade. Smitra Nadu, CCTV, Johannesburg.